You're not trying too hard.
As you guys know, we're at the shop right now, the collision shop. I'm gonna go see how much damage it is. Turn my car in. And yeah, we're gonna go from there. I'll let you guys know how much damage is done in the car, how much the deer fucked my shit up. So, yeah, that's cool. We're about to go inside, get my mask on, sensor. About to go inside and see what the fuck happened. Get another review of this. Not that bad. Welcome back to another video. My name is JTV. As you guys know, this is going to be a very short video, but this is just an update on my piece of shit car. So we took, as you see in the clip, we took the car to the, collision shop. I thought we were going to go to the dealership, but we're going to the Suburban Collision Shop and blah, blah, blah. They looked at my car. I thought the bumper was fine, but I guess, fuck. So the bumper, fender, hood, and the hood stuff, and the grill. And then my headlights, we're going to try to figure out, we're going to try to figure out how to get the aftermarket shit. They're going to try to get the aftermarket shit. If they're not, then I'm fucked. We're going to get the stock shit back. I'm going to have to buy this shit myself, which is fucked up. So, as you guys know, the aftermarket, the bill is it's $3,000 all together, labor. I'm pretty sure it's like $1,000 for the parts and $2,000 for labor, painting, and all that stuff. So yeah, $3,000 for the car. I can't get a rental, so I'm fucked up right now, but $3,000 to fix it. I'm recording up my phone right now. I have all the information on, everything, but yeah, it's $3,000. So we're just waiting on them to get the adjuster to go out there. They can look at it and then they can start working on it. I don't know how long it's gonna take to get my car back, but yeah. Just 3,000 just because of the deer. But yeah, that's it, guys. Just $3,000. That's $3,000. We're only gonna pay $500 because of insurance. That's why everybody get insurance. So yeah, that's it for this video. But just like in the other video I posted recently, that's my ticket for going too slow. Shout out UCM. I don't know who runs the show though, but yeah, we were all driving, got a ticket. I'm not paying it though, so that's just. Yeah, I don't got nothing to do, just
then wet and stuff, having kids.
I don't got nothing to do.
Okay.
I'm mad as fuck. All I want is a money. Fuck. Take my rap money, buy bricks and kill, fuck the bread up. Balling not a crime, but killing niggas, wake the fence up. I'm giving hoes a bunch of letdowns, a lot of stand up. You are getting any type of money, put your hand.
Guys, look at this. My barber ash. Alright, I'm done, bro. Sorry, guys. Thank you for watching another video. My name is JTV. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit me up to make a video. Cause right now I have no car, so I'm fucking stuck at home. So hit me up to watch another video. Hit me up to make a video and send me video ideas. Like they always say. Thank you for watching another video. My name is JTV.